Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn about conditional formatting. So, what is conditional formatting? So, conditional formatting is an important feature of Microsoft Excel which makes it easy to highlight certain values in a particular cell, which makes it easy to understand or identify. So, conditional formatting changes the appearance of a cell based on certain condition or criteria that we provide as per our requirement. So, you can use conditional formatting to highlight the cells that contain values which meet the conditions or rules we provide as per our requirement. Okay, let's see how conditional formatting works with an example. So you can see conditional formatting in home tab. So here if you click on conditional formatting, there are many options like highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets, and you can create new rule also as per your requirement, and you can clear the rules if there is any in Excel sheet, and manage rules. Okay, we'll see one by one. So for example, if I want to apply conditional formatting to this column, G column, I need to select first G column and then go to conditional formatting, and first we'll see highlight cell rules. If I click on this, there are many options like greater than, less than, between, equal, text that contains or date occurring duplicate values. So first we'll see greater than. If I click on greater than, and we need to provide with the cell value here. I have selected cell value, and here if I provide greater than 1 lakh. Okay, and here format with, you can choose any of the color of your choice, like yellow, green, light red text, whatever. So I'll go with this only and click OK. So see, the values which are greater than 1 lakh are highlighted with this color. ठीक है. Now if I want to remove this rule, just click on column and here go to clear rule. We can clear rule from the selected cells also, and we can clear rules from the entire sheet also. So I'll click selected cells and see, rule has been removed. So now again if I want to apply another rule, go to conditional formatting and click on less than. If you want less than certain amount, then that amount also you can choose here. And if you want between certain numbers, like between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, and click OK. See, between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, all these amounts get highlighted. So all these counts or numbers gets highlighted. Okay, and if again I want to remove the rule, then just go to conditional formatting and clear rules from entire sheet also you can do, or selected cells also you can do. Okay, if you want to remove a rule from entire sheet, then use entire sheet or particular cell. Okay, and if I again want to apply another rule, then just go to highlight cell rules, equals to amount. Like if you want to highlight the like count equal to 1 lakh or equal to 2 lakh, then that cell gets highlighted. And if I want to highlight the cell which contains text, for example, which contains text, population, female, then let's see, click on OK, then see, it gets highlighted. ठीक है, एंड अभी मैं इसको रिमूव करना चाहूँगी एंड क्लियर. सो ये हो गया हाईलाइट सेल रूल्स, लाइक टॉप बॉटम. अगर डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू भी है कोई तो वो भी हाईलाइट कर देगा. ठीक है, एंड नाउ टॉप बॉटम रूल्स. इन टॉप बॉटम रूल्स, इफ़ यू वांट टॉप 10 items to be get highlighted, then you can do that as well. Like click on this and click OK, and see only top 10 items will be highlighted. You can provide another like numbers also, like see, top to bottom, top 10, you can change the number here, top 20 or top 30 you can do. Okay, and like you can choose top 10%, bottom 10 items, top bottom 10%, above average, below average, any of your choice. And now coming to data bars, it will provide the data bars for each count. For example, if I choose this, see, data bars are highlighting here, like it conditional formatting is applying graphical format for this counts. And if I do not want to show the numbers, then what you can do, you just go to manage rules and select this one, and here edit rule. So in Windows I think so edit rule will appear at the top. So go to edit rule, and here you can see many options. You can also use like fill as a solid, or you can use gradient, any of your choice. And here you can see show data bar only. So if you don't want to show numbers, only you want to show the data bar, then just click on this and click OK, and another click OK, and see, you can see only data bar. And if you want to show numbers again, then just go to manage rules and edit rule, just untick this and click OK, and click OK. Okay. And if you want to remove this for conditional formatting, just click clear rules and clear from entire sheet or certain specified sheet. And you can choose the color of your choice, like green, pink, red, yellow, whatever you want. And now moving to color scales. So color scales, you can see if I choose this one, multiple colors get highlighted here as per the importance. Like if there is like high amount gets colored, like there are multicolors here as per their importance, you can say. If I like sort this one, sort smallest to largest, for example, see, all those colors which are small highlighted in one color. And again if you scroll down, color gets changes. See, all largest amounts are colored in different color. See, ठीक है. By using color scales, we can scale the amounts as per the colors. Okay, and if I want to remove this, then just go to clear rules and clear from entire sheet or selected sheet. And now coming to icon sets, you can set the icon as per your choice. If I select this one, green will be used for like high values, yellow will be used for mid values like average values, and red will be used for low values. So if I choose this, then see, I have selected only these cells, so conditional formatting gets applied to only these cells. So if I remove this rule, I'm sorry, and I have now selected whole column, and just click on icon sets and just do this one. See, all the small values get applied, like red color will be applied to all the small values. See, okay, it's just refreshing. And see, it, all the color choice will be automatically applied. Okay, and if I want to remove the rule, just go and click remove rules. And again, you can choose any other icons of your choice like flags, dots, and you can use like this also, stars also you can use. Whatever icons of your choice, you can use that. So this is basic about conditional formatting. So what is conditional formatting? By using conditional formatting, we can highlight the cells as per our requirement. So once we apply conditional formatting, so cells gets highlighted as per the conditions we provide, as per the rules we provide. Like for example, bottom 10, top 10, likewise. And conditional formatting is dynamic actually. I'm so sorry. So if you like change the values in the cell, and if that cell value is not fitting into the condition or rules we provide, then that cell will not highlight. For example, uh, here suppose I'll just select this and click highlight the cell rules greater than, I'll just do what, 40,000. Okay, and click OK. Now see, all these cells gets highlighted which are greater than 40,000. Now I'll just change this cell to 30,000. See, cell is not highlighting right now because conditional formatting is dynamic, because we have provided rule to this column that if the cell contains value more than 40,000, then only highlight the cell, otherwise don't highlight it. So it is a dynamic. If we change the cell value, then conditional formatting will also gets changed accordingly. Okay. So this was the today's lecture. Hope you like it. If you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment section. I will try to solve your doubts. So please share my video, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, stay tuned for more other videos. Till then, tata, bye bye. Thank you so much.